Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a program that will create multiple directories on the Windows desktop, or folders for those people who want to be nitpicky. Okay, here we go. We're going to create my scalar path, which is going to be assigned to C users desktop. Okay, right, so that's the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop. If you type this in, you will get an error, so you'll have to find the unique path to your desktop. Then we use chdir here, which is change directory, because we want to change directory to the path above. And now I'm going to create a subroutine called multiple directories. So that's my subroutine there. So we're going to print creating multiple directories tell the user what's going on, so the user knows what's happening. And then we're going to use the sleep function here for 1 second, so that will pause it for 1 second. Now we're going to do the for loop and create a scalar variable called I, which is going to we're going to go through and create 5 folders on the desktop. So there we go, 1 to 5. Okay, so the next part of it, we're going to create a scalar variable and we're going to assign it to the path. So that's going to be scalar path, and that's going to be dir and the scalar I. Okay, and then we're going to use mkdir to make the directories. It's going to be scalar directory, and if it doesn't work out, we're going to throw an error or die. That's going to be error creating directory. It's going to be like that. Okay. Right, all we have to do now is to call the program multiple directories. Okay, let's save it and let's run the program. Creating multiple directories. Okay, let's check out the desktop, and there we go, directory 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that, and remember to hit that subscribe button below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.